And this video just talks about modulus in Python. So modulus finds remainders. So quite often in the exam they might ask you to use this kind of idea, and they might say they might use pseudocode and they might use the word mod. Sometimes they'll tell you what it does. So it provides a result, a remainder result. Sometimes they'll be wanting you to actually program it, so they won't tell you exactly how it works. So in Python, the symbol for this is the percentage. So in this case, this bit of code, it's asking if the number that we've input, so this no equals integer input. We're getting an input from the user there. We're converting it, casting it to an integer, and then we're saying if this no percentage 2, so modulus 2, is equal to 0, then we print there's no remainder. So we're using 2 as our idea at the moment here. Else, if it's not that, we're going to work out what the remainder is by saying remainder equals this no percentage 2 again. So we're saying what this is, and it will print the remainder. So if we run the program, if we enter 2, there's no remainder because 2 divided by 2, it goes into it exactly, and there's no remainder. But if we run the program again and we run it with 3, and it says a remainder 1 because 3 divided by 2 gives us 1 and 1 remainder. So we can obviously change this idea. So if we change the 2 and we made it to a 3, so if we run that program again, obviously if we put 3 in, it's going to say no remainder because 3 divided by 3 is no remainder. 4 is going to be remainder 1. 5, so it's giving us remainder 2 now because 5 divided by 3, it goes into it once, and there are 2 left over, so 2 remainders. So we've worked out the remainder for that. So it should work for pretty much any number we want to put in. 52 modulus 3, remainder 1, etc. So you can use this to find the remainder of a whole number division. So once we're dividing this, it's going to give us the remainder back. So that's modulus. So it's going to be called on the exam modulus, or they might show you some pseudocode that says mod. So it's a mod in pseudocode. So that would be the same as saying this mod. So if there's no mod 3, so obviously in Python that doesn't work, but the percentage thing there does the same thing. So that's just a quick bit of Python, how to do modulus.